Let's take a look at the chart action for MATIC or Polygon. So what I'm looking at right now is that we're on the weekly time frame. We have resistance right here, resistance right here. I'm watching this downtrend going something like this. We also have support right here and support right here. Let's do a bottom trend line as well. Maybe we could even drag from the back over here. So we're looking at this big, huge triangle pattern, something like that. I think if we get a breakout to the upside, we might be targeting from the top to the bottom of this triangle, drag that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of approximately 2.93. What I'm doing right now is waiting for a breakout to the upside right here. Like I said, this is on the weekly time frame. This might take a little bit of time for it to actually complete this pattern because it is on the weekly time frame, a bigger time frame. So let's kind of check out the daily time frame, see what we got. Let's delete everything. I think what we're looking at really is this resistance here and this resistance here on this daily time frame. Let's do a downtrend, something like this. It looks like we're breaking to the upside right now. I would also do a bottom, something like that as well. Just something on the smaller time frame. It looks like we have this kind of triangle pattern right here, and it looks like we're breaking to the upside right now. I think the next thing that I would be targeting is this previous resistance sitting at around 1.74, 1.75. After that, this previous resistance at around 2.20. So we have support right here, support right here. Let's drag this uptrend going to the upside and see how far we can ride this uptrend going to the upside before we break down and see where we have to retest some levels. In general, for right now, it looks like we're breaking this resistance level. In general, right now, it looks like we're breaking this resistance line. What I'm doing is looking at this area right here, this previous resistance at around 1.74. That'll be the next level I'm pretty much targeting. You can also argue we have resistance right here, resistance right here. We might be looking at a trend line going something like this. A lot of these charts have a similar kind of cup and handle pattern. This one doesn't really look that great, but it does kind of have that cup pattern, and then it has like this downtrend after that. So we're going to want to wait and see if we could break this trend line going to the upside right there. I think if we could break this trend line, that's going to be the signal that we can probably be targeting these previous highs. The first one sitting around 2.20 and the second one sitting around 2.46. We got a wick up all the way up to 2.70. So if we could break 270, that'll mean we'll be setting higher highs and we can start even seeing new targets. But first things first, this trend line. Second thing is this trend line right here, and then maybe target these levels up here. If we jump over the total crypto market cap, we're running on an uptrend like this. I think as long as we're on this uptrend, we could be more confident on our bullish targets in general. Okay, so in my next video, we're going to be looking at Cardano. So click this button right here, and I'll see you in this video. We'll be talking about what's going on in this chart. Alright, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.